Hello everyone, welcome back to How Logical. Today I'm going to teach you how to deactivate your TanTan account. First of all, make sure you have already installed the TanTan app and open your account. Now you have to go to the TanTan app. On the bottom of the page you can see three options. Go to your profile. On the top left with verify your profile you can see a small setting button. Click on that setting button. Scroll downward. In the app setting, you can see account and security. Click on account and security. Here you can see three options: phone number, set or update your password, delete your account. So in TanTan account, you have no such options like deactivate your account. All you can do is delete your account permanently. We even try to deactivate the account using the browser, but there is no such options like deactivating the account.